Hello, my darlings. So today we are going to start with the Versali, I think, Jelly Beam highlighter. I'm going to put that all over the face to give me that inner glow. I can't use this as an actual highlighter because it's too dark for my skin tone. So I put it under my foundation. And my face is already primed, you guys. So that's why we just kind of jumped right on in. We are going to go in with my Ride or Die NARS Long Wearing Radiant Foundation. I'm going to squeeze some pumps on the back of my hand. And then we're going to go in with my Morphe M439 brush and we're going to just buff it in. You know the drill. This foundation, you guys, has become my favorite very quickly. It is very full coverage because y'all know I'm a full coverage bitch. So that is why it's my favorite. That and it's just amazing. And then I'm going to take my Naked Concealer and I'm going to conceal. And yes, you guys, I use a lot and that's because I can. You see those dark circles? It's from having children. I am tired, so I gotta cover up them dark circles. And then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm then gonna take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette and I'm gonna use the first shade in the palette because that yellow shade is just too damn dark for me. But this contour palette, you guys, has easily become my favorite palette. So I'm just going to set everything in place that I put concealer. I'm definitely going to put a lot of powder on those eyes. I'm then going to take this Smashbox. Not sure what the whole name is, but I'll leave it in the description bar down below. I'm going to take the transition shade, and I'm going to take that on a big old fluffy brush. And I'm going to take that from the inner corner to outer corner and really buff it out. And I'm sorry about the purple line on my face. I just got my hair dyed, so the joys of having your hair dyed. I'm then going to take that purple shade. I'm sorry, guys, I went really fast, but it is a Makeup Geek shade. I'll leave the name down below, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well, and use the R37 brush to blend that out. It's like a purple, but it's got like pink undertones in it, and that's why I used it, because I'm going for that spring pink beautiful look, because I'm over those dark looks. I mean, I say that now, but I'll probably put up another look soon that's dark, but I didn't want to go all pink because you can look like you have pink eye very quickly if you do that. So that's why I use purple. I'm then going to take this hot pink shade. I'm going to take that on also a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put that like just right above, kind of buff out those harsh lines and just put more pink in the look. Because I did do a very purple and pink look already, so I didn't want it to be the exact same. So I'm just kind of changing it up a little bit. I'm then going to take this glitter shade right here from Smashbox, and I'm going to use my finger because I used these with a brush and it just didn't work out the last time. So I'm just going to put this all over the lid. You don't need any glitter glue. I'm going to take my Clinique eyeliner and I'm going to put on my wings. I'll be right back. And then I'm going to put on my Dewy Lily lashes. I just got these in the mail today. Don't mind the glue. They're still drying. I'm then going to take my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm just going to bronze the face. You guys know the drill. I'm then going to take this middle contour shade, and I'm going to contour over the bronzer. This is an unnecessary step, but I chose to do so. I'm just going to contour those cheeks. Then I'm going to contour the forehead with a different brush. Still don't know. I know it's a Morphe brush. I will leave it down below. I'm then going to take this hot pink shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and then buff it out with that lighter pink shade. I'm then going to take my Starlit powder. Y'all know the drill. This isn't a shock to you. I use this all the time. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with this. Look at those lashes, you guys. I'm obsessed with those. But for some reason, I was having trouble keeping them glued down. I'm then going to take my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush. I'm just going to put that on the cheeks. It's a very beautiful springtime blush. It's not too pink. It's got the perfect amount of coral in it. You guys should definitely go pick this up. I'm then going to take my Jeffree Star and Manny MUA highlight. I'm going to put that on the cheekbones. You guys, this highlighter has become my favorite very quickly. I don't know what it is about it, but it is the perfect gold highlight for fair skinned people like myself. I've always been fair, and it's never going to change, honey. I'm just a fair skinned bitch. I've come to accept it. I'm going to put it on my nose as well. I'm just going to highlight everywhere with this highlight, you guys. I would bathe myself in it if I could. Let's be real. I'm then going to take my Jeffree Star and Manny MUA liquid lip in I'm Shook. I'm going to put that on the lips. I thought this was just, because it's got the pink undertone in it, so I thought it was necessary. I'm then going to spray my face with some Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, my darlings.